we're having our lunch today dito sa Playa Laiya. Anong restaurant to, ma'am?
This is at the Sand.
At the Sand. And ano to, ma'am?
Ito yung kanilang specialty, bulasing.
Bulasing. Bakit bulasing?
This is bulalong sinigang. You should try it. Napakasarap po.
A few moments later.
Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. Again, I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser here in A. Marquez Realty. So for today's vlog, medyo kakaiba yung vlog natin ngayon because nandito tayo ngayon sa San Juan, Batangas. And together with me is
Joy from Landco Pacific Corporation,
our broker coordinator. So we'll be showing you around beach properties at dahil napapanahon ngayon, it's summertime, no? So let's take a look what Landco has to offer. But before that, let's begin with the introduction of the company, ma'am. So
Yes.
Tell us more about Landco, ma'am.
Landco, to be exact, is already 37th year developing leisure communities. We started 1990 and our flagship is Punta Fuego, if you're familiar with it. We are a subsidiary of Metro Pacific Group Investment under Mr. Manny Pangilinan, our chairman, and our president, Mr. 𝐓𝐇𝐄 𝐒𝐏𝐈𝐍𝐍𝐀𝐄.
So very well known when it comes sa pagde-develop talaga, no, ma'am?
Yes, in terms of stability.
Because actually, when buying a property, making sure that dapat established na yung company at meron ng reputation and credibility, diba? No, ma'am?
Right.
So, that being said, I believe there are a lot of successful already na mga projects dito sa Batangas.
All over actually the Philippines from north to south.
Oh.
So we still have, sir, aside from here in San Juan, we also have sa north, sa Woodgrove in Pampanga, Waterwood in Bulacan, we have Courtyard in Cabanatuan, Samal Island in Davao, Zamboanga, we also have in Playa Calatagan, Hacienda Escudero, Montelago, Leisure Farms, and so on.
So, ang dami na pala.
Madami pong projects sila.